Good day students, welcome to another video on chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Today we take exercise 3.5 and question number 2, second one. Now what does this question say? For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? For which value of k these two equations will have no solution. Okay, so let's see for what value of k this will have no solution. First we put this equation number 1. Okay, leave it. Will have no solution. Now students, you must be remembering the condition for no solution. Do you remember what was the condition for no solution? For no solution, what is the condition? A1 by A2. No solution means the lines are parallel. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So for this is the condition for no solution. So let us substitute the values in this condition. A1, from the first equation, A1 is the coefficient of x, so 3 by coefficient of x 2k minus 1 equal to B1 by B2. B1 is the coefficient of y 1 by k minus 1 not equal to C1 by C2. What is C1? The constant 1 by 2k plus 1. Okay. So from the given two equations, we substituted the values of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 according to this condition. Now we need to solve it. We take the first two. So from this two, what do we have? 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to 1 by k minus 1. We need to simplify it. What do? We cross multiply. That is this and multiply this. So 3 into k minus 1 will be equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. That is 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1 or 3k, bring it on the other side, 2k minus 1 plus 3. 3k minus 2k is k equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So what did we get? K is equal to 2. That means for this value of k, these two equations will have no solution. Therefore your answer will be, therefore for k equal to 2, the given pair of equations have no solution. Now this is the answer. If you want, you can check it. You have k is equal to 2, substitute here 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 3, that is you get 1. Substitute here 2 minus 1, 1 by 1, so you are getting equal. Let us see what happens here. Substitute 2 for k, so 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5, you get 1 by 5, and this is not equal. So this condition is satisfied here. So we have k equal to 2. Given pair of equations have no solution. Okay, come on, let's see another sum of this type. Yes, another question from your book, not from exercise 3.5. This is an solved example from your book. Now just see here, for which values of p does the pair of equations has unique solution? 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0, and the second equation is 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of P for which these two have unique solution. Again, if you remember, come on, let's see the solution for unique solution. Now what is the condition for unique solution? If you remember, students, we had A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Again, as before, we substitute the values of A1, A2, B1, B2. If you want, you can write the values of A1. What is A1? Coefficient of X. You can B1, coefficient of Y. C1 is the constant, and from the second equation A2 is 2, B2 coefficient of Y 2, C2 is the constant. So we now have the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, though we do not need C1 and C2. So this values, come on, let's substitute in the given condition. A1 by A2, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. What is B1? P. B2, what is B2? 2. So we have substituted the values of A1, A2, B1, B2 in this given condition. Now we will just simplify it. So again, what do? Cross multiply. 4 into 2, 8 not equal to 2p, or we can cancel out 2 from both the sides. 4 not equal to p. So we get the value of p, but p not equal to 4. Our question is, for what values of p does the pair of linear equations has unique solution? What value of p? We are getting p is not equal to 4. So what will the answer be? For all values of p except 4, the given pair of equations has unique solution. Understood? For all values of p, if we just got p is not equal to 4, so all values of p except 4, this given pair of equations will have a unique solution. Okay children, understood? Thank you for today.